The journey of pineapple leaf shoes begins in the field, where carefully selected pineapple leaves become the raw material for a sustainable fiber.
Long pineapple leaves are carefully harvested and collected so their natural fibers can later be extracted and processed. Keep them uniform.
That's the last pile.
Load them up.
Once collected, the pineapple leaves are transported directly to the processing facility, where their transformation into footwear material begins. After leaving the plantation, the freshly harvested pineapple leaves arrive at a specialized processing facility. The leaves are unloaded and organized into controlled batches before entering the fiber processing line.
Each batch is visually checked so suitable leaves can continue into the controlled fiber extraction process.
Once inspected, the selected leaves are carefully arranged and prepared for thorough industrial cleaning. The selected pineapple leaves now enter a controlled cleaning line to prepare them for fiber extraction.
Keep an eye on the water pressure settings. Noted, I'm making a slight adjustment now.
After washing, excess water is removed so the leaves can enter the next stage of mechanical preparation. The cleaned leaves are aligned and prepared so their long natural fibers can be extracted efficiently.
The cleaned pineapple leaves now enter a specialized machine that begins separating their long natural fibers.
Mechanical processing separates the strong natural fibers from the remaining plant material.
The extracted fibers are collected and inspected before entering a further cleaning and preparation stage. A secondary separation stage removes remaining plant fragments, producing cleaner natural pineapple fibers. Once extracted and separated, the pineapple fibers are ready for thorough washing and drying before becoming textile material. After extraction, the pineapple fibers undergo thorough washing to remove remaining natural residues and prepare them for further processing.
Multiple cleaning stages help produce a cleaner and more consistent natural fiber.
After washing, controlled mechanical and airflow systems remove excess moisture from the natural fibers. Controlled drying reduces moisture while helping preserve the structure of the valuable pineapple fibers.
The clean and dried pineapple fibers are now ready for refinement, where they will be transformed into a consistent textile-ready material.
The dried pineapple fibers now enter a refinement system that separates and aligns the natural strands. Precision rollers and alignment systems transform the loose fibers into a more uniform and manageable material. The aligned fibers are carefully conditioned to improve flexibility and prepare them for textile formation. The refined fibers are evenly distributed to create a consistent foundation for the textile material. After refinement and alignment, the pineapple fibers are ready to be transformed into a continuous textile-like sheet. The aligned pineapple fibers now enter a sheet-forming system that transforms the loose fiber web into a continuous material.
Controlled bonding brings the natural fibers together, creating a stronger and more uniform sheet suitable for footwear production.
The newly formed sheet is conditioned and smoothed to achieve the consistency needed for the next footwear production stages. Automated inspection checks the newly formed material for consistency before it moves into footwear component production.
Once formed and inspected, the pineapple fiber sheet is ready to be cut into the precise components that will become the shoe upper.
The finished pineapple fiber sheet is now precisely cut into the individual components needed to construct the shoe.
Computer-controlled cutting creates consistent shoe components while making efficient use of the prepared natural material. Each cut component is organized and prepared so the shoe upper can be assembled accurately in the next stage. Before assembly, critical edges and attachment points are carefully prepared for strength, durability, and accurate construction. With the components precisely cut and prepared, the pineapple fiber uppers are ready for stitching and shoe assembly. The precisely cut pineapple fiber pieces now come together through controlled stitching and footwear assembly. Precision stitching joins the individual pieces, gradually giving the natural material the recognizable structure of a shoe upper. Once stitched, the upper is shaped into the three-dimensional form of the finished shoe. The shaped upper is carefully prepared and aligned with its sole, creating the foundation for the finished footwear. The upper and sole are securely joined, transforming the prepared components into a complete pineapple leaf shoe. After assembly, each pineapple leaf shoe enters the finishing line, where its appearance and final construction are carefully refined.
Precision trimming removes small imperfections and gives every shoe a clean, finished shape.
A controlled finishing process gives the pineapple fiber surface a consistent appearance while retaining its natural texture. Each shoe receives a detailed finishing check to conform its construction, shape, and overall appearance. Before packaging, every finished pair undergoes a detailed final quality inspection.
The fiber looks consistent. Good stitching. Approved.
The sole, edges, and overall construction are checked to confirm that each pair is properly assembled.
The shoes pass the final inspection. Good. Maintain the quality as they go to packaging.
After passing final inspection, the approved pineapple leaf shoes are ready to be packaged for distribution.
After passing inspection, each pair is carefully prepared for its journey to customers around the world. The packaged shoes are securely sealed and organized for efficient handling and distribution. Individual shoe boxes are grouped into shipping cartons, making the finished products ready for organized storage and transport. Once packed, the finished shoes are stored in an organized warehouse until they are ready for distribution.
The shoes are now packed and ready for distribution.
We're loading the final pallets now.
After completing the manufacturing process, the finished pineapple leaf shoes leave the factory and begin their journey to customers.
From the factory, organized shipments travel through the distribution network toward markets and retail destinations. The packaged shoes are sorted and prepared for their final destinations. After distribution, the finished footwear reaches its final destination, ready to be presented to customers.
From pineapple leaves harvested in the field to finished footwear, every step transforms a natural resource into a modern, sustainable product.